Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe. Let's speak about today's lesson. How to use hatch for multiple objects. Let's make some circles and some rectangular as well. So let's take hash, just write H and enter. Now when you go to inside any of your objects, you can fill or you can hatch it. But if you want do it all of them by selecting all of them, just type S and enter. So select all the objects and left click. As you see, we hatch all of them. I hope this lesson is useful for you guys. Thanks for watching.